If you want to zoom in on a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to select your clip, find the right controls, and zoom in using the scale setting so you can create a cleaner, more focused look in your edit. This is a really simple effect, but it can make a big difference when you want to highlight a subject, crop out distractions, or add a more dynamic feel to your video. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your clip is already placed on the timeline. Now, click on the clip you want to zoom in on. This is important because CapCut only shows the editing options for the selected clip. Once the clip is selected, look toward the top right panel. You'll see the video settings there. Navigate to the video tab and then click on the basic section if it isn't already open. In the basic panel, scroll or look for the transform settings. This is where CapCut gives you control over the size and position of your clip. To zoom in, find the scale slider and drag it to the right. As you increase the scale, the video will zoom in visually on the preview screen. For a subtle zoom, you might go to around 110% or 120%. If you want a more noticeable crop, try 150%. And if you want a stronger close-up effect, you can even push it to 200 or more, depending on your footage and your project needs. As you adjust the scale, keep an eye on the preview so you can make sure your subject stays framed properly. If the zoom causes the video to move out of center, you can usually adjust the position settings in the same transform area to bring it back into place. That way, you get a clean zoom without cutting off anything important. This method is great for emphasizing facial expressions, focusing on a product, or making a shot feel more cinematic. It's also useful if your original footage has extra space around the subject and you want a tighter composition. Once you're happy with the zoom level, just leave the settings as they are and continue editing your project. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed in on your video in CapCut using the scale slider. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.